Welcome, here I've got OPPO Reno 5 Lite, and let me show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are here from the left, so let me try to use them now to see how they work with the camera. And as you can see now, by tapping on them, I can easily take a picture. To change that function, let's go to right corner button to open camera settings, and here at the first position we have volume button function, so let's tap on it to decide between volume, shutter, which is now, or zoom. Now let me change it to zoom to show you how it works different. Let's move back to camera and let me try to use volume keys once again. And as you can see, I can easily get closer to my subject now and also move back, so I can use zoom by using volume buttons. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.